Hi, my name is Brian, and I run a podcast called Web Dev Corner that helps people with common web development tasks uh, with various web hosting companies. And today we are going to be going through an issue that I was recently having where I needed to add a meta tag for Google Ads to my header of a site that I'm working on. And the site is using WordPress. And I didn't want to do any customization by manually entering or manually editing the files. I wanted to use the web interface that WordPress comes with. So if you ever need to add any meta tags in the header, or the tool that I'm going to show you, you can do other things as well. Little blocks of code, JavaScript or PHP or anything like that. This will be a helpful video for you. So to get started, this is the website that I'm talking about. And if you go into, real quick, here's the meta tag that I need to add to the site. So it's just one line, and then Google then knows that I'm the owner of the site because Google gave me this meta tag to add so that I can proceed with um, creating ads and having them show up on the site. Um, so if you want to see what meta tags are currently on your site, what you can do is in Edge or Chrome, you want to get into the developer tools, which shows you the HTML that's on your page. And all the meta tags in the site go in the header. So in the header here for WordPress out of the box, they have quite a few headers and scripts, style sheets and stuff like that. So where where the custom tag will get put is towards the bottom of there. I think right before these meta items, we would expect to see that tag or that line added in this area here. So what you have to do is get into your website, and this is a web hosting company I use called DreamHost. They have shared web accounts hosting plans for under $10 a month. So this is my DreamHost account, and I'm just going to go into Manage Websites. I have a couple sites here. Just one moment. And it's the Sober Life one, so just go to Manage. And what we're going to do is log into WordPress. Once we're logged in, then the WordPress panel looks probably similar to any other hosting site, unless they have a much different version. So what we're going to do here is add a plugin. Go into the plugin sections and add a plugin. And the plugin name is called WP Code. It's just find it here, right here. So insert headers and footers and other custom code snippets. So we're going to install that plugin. And it should just take a second. So now it's installed, and now we're going to activate it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to browse down to plugin list and find it. All right, there it is. And then you're going to go to the code snippets section. And what they have is, what you're going to want to do is create a new code snippet for this, for what we're trying to do. And we're just going to add our custom snippet. And it's an HTML snippet. And then we're going to take the meta tag that we want to put in and copy and paste it right here in the code preview window. And as we browse down here, it says there's a lot of different options. You can limit it to mobile or desktop. And we are going to save it. We have to make that snippet active and then update again. Save that. And now we'll just go back into the beginning of the plugin here just to make sure it looks good. So we'll browse down again to WP Code Snippets. And you can see that the untitled one here, and it automatically put it in the site-wide header section. It looked at it and said this would be something to go in the header. Now you would think that it would show up in the site, but one thing that was very hard to find is WordPress by default has plugins for caching websites, and there's one right here, WP Super Cache. You might have a different caching one. There's a number of them. And what you got to do is you got to click on this delete cache button. And it just takes a second. So now when we go back to the site and reload it in the browser, we should be able to find the custom header that we needed. So it's going to be down pretty far. Hopefully we can spot it. That's not it. There it is. So now when Google comes to the site and crawls it, they will see that custom header, and then my Google Ads account will be ready to go. So that concludes the video today. If you like this video or didn't, I welcome any comments onto the video, and I would welcome you to join the channel, podcast channel that I have for Web Dev Corner. Thank you very much. Have a great day.